one up, so I let it cool down too much. But yeah, I had to reboot it too. Something wasn't quite working.
Alright, so it has to get up to the operating temperatures it has there on the display, and then it'll... Oh, it's getting there.
It doesn't usually take too long to warm up. It wasn't completely cooled right down here, so it kind of helps.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be darned.
Yeah, well...
What will they think of next?
I can't really imagine, you know. It's going to be something spectacular, I'm sure.
I think there's a way of getting it a bigger. They're working on it, or they actually got it out. Haven't marked it yet. A bigger platform, because right now we can only do 4 by 4 by 6.
Okay, yeah. So. Nearly there. Oh, those are all the magnets.
How much did you charge for those? Like,
that one there is $2. It works about 36 a grand.
I was just thinking if somebody was having some kind of a do, if they wanted handouts, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
Actually, McCrory Music Festival I've just had, we just did up 300 keychains.
No, sure.
We did a little guitar. Let me get the actual one comes up there.
Sorry, no, that's okay.
And I think we're doing, they have their centennial this year, and second come up, so I think we're doing 12 guitars and some of the opal school. The brick school.
Oh, okay.
Out there.
Oh, okay.
I think a model. I think we're trying to model like something like that. Something to
Yeah, thanks. Well, there we go. It's starting to lay plastic down.
How long does it take to make